Investment banking is a dream for many finance professionals. So I've just noted down the questions. So how did you prepare yourself for Standard Chartered Bank? What are those 2-3 things which they need to check it when they are preparing for the investment banking profiles?
Sir, I think preparing for that relevant profile becomes very important here. So now we have all the information that we need at just the click of a mouse. I researched about various topics that were relevant to that profile. And honestly, I just wanted to put my best foot forward because this is a profile which many of us look up to. So I didn't want to lose out on any chance and I just tried to give my best at it.
How did a CPA knowledge help around in this interview?
So for this interview, my profile was pertaining to the US regions. Since I am pursuing CPA, so it's a mutual understanding that I would be knowing certain terms which are prevalent in the US, certain tax laws, certain the SOX compliances, the other US tax laws. I would be aware of these laws. CPA would be expected to know more than a CA. So this CPA qualification really helped in respect to that matter. Our hard work and faith, I think that does wonders and we certainly will get rewarded for what's best for us.
Anything which you want to kind of give them some of the suggestions how you prepared for your reg exam?
I think the most important thing in reg would be to know all the concepts. Like nothing is important here and everything is correlated with one concept or the other. So knowing just one concept thoroughly will not help. We have to know all the concepts in that depth which is required. And second thing would be being in touch with the subject. It's not a one-time thing that I have learned a concept and I'm doing it after like 3-4 weeks again and sitting to revise. Every time we are revising, there is some add-on to it. We are retaining a new concept every time we are revising. So that is one important thing.
But what is that thing which you found out in Samandar Education and why do you think so that a training institute at least should be required for CPA?
So when I was researching about which institute to go for, I found that Samandar was assisting us from training to evaluation to even job placements, and I realized it now that Samandar is a plethora of resources. It has everything. So it has helped us to focus on our subject because if the institute is taking care of our evaluation and all the other ancillary things, then we get much more time to focus on the subject rather than losing time in these small areas. So that really helps.